At the end of the day, it is not just about knowledge, it is not just about reading books, which will make the preparation more holistic, structured, and result oriented. Having said that, the basic concepts, the facts, they remain the same. A proper mentorship when you're understanding the difference and through complete good level practice. Toppers also this year, Shakti, she was a topper and she could not also clear prelims many times. So simple questions also sometimes can act like bouncers through the Sandhan test series, where they can pick up a topic of their choice and practice as many questions as they want on that. And this is something that the Vision IAS program offers, that we have experienced mentors who will be hand-holding the aspirants throughout their preparation. Almost 60 to 70% of the questions are inspired from news and current affairs. Digital current affairs gives you the option to search exactly what you are looking for.
Hello and welcome to this special edition of Vision IAS related to Lakshya Integrated Program that provides you mentoring support from start of your preparation till the end. And to discuss about it, we have today an esteemed faculty of Vision IAS, Geetika ma'am. Welcome ma'am.
Hello Kapil.
Ma'am, as you are aware that prelims 2025 just got over.
Right.
And a lot of students are feeling dejected because some of them will not make it. So for those students and also for those who are targeting 2026, how should they now approach this next attempt or 2026 prelims?
Well, Kapil, like you rightly said, that obviously not everyone will be able to make it to the mains examination, and which is why it is important that anybody who feels that they may not be able to clear this year's prelims or they want to appear next year, they should start their preparation right away, because we are barely another year from the 2026 prelims examination. It's important to understand that for those who have already appeared and have some level of preparation, how they have to plug the loopholes, and for those who are just starting afresh, how they have to do their preparation in a structured manner. Both these things have to be taken up on priority, because at the end of the day, it is not just about knowledge, it is not just about reading books, but also about how you will take an approach which will make the preparation more holistic, structured, and result oriented.
So ma'am, how does this Lakshya Integrated Program, as you mentioned, ensure this structuredness or orientation for the prelims and mains of next year?
Right. So, Kapil, many students ask us this question, that how do we prepare for prelims and how do we prepare for mains? Or is there any difference in the approach of these two stages of the examination? Well, there are certain differences in the sense that syllabus, so for example, world history and essay is more of a component of mains. But having said that, the basic concepts, the facts, they remain the same. And what makes it different is how you approach your practice. In prelims, if a same concept, if I have to, let's say, talk about preamble, the questions on preambles from a prelims point of view will be very different from that of mains. So the approach to the subject changes, topic changes, and that can be done only through a proper mentorship when you're understanding the difference and through complete good level practice.
So let's talk about prelims now, ma'am. So in this Lux integrated program, how do we focus upon prelims so that student is properly prepared for the prelims examination of the next year?
So what happens in prelims is that students who are unable to clear or who feel that prelims is the major hurdle, we have seen toppers also this year, Shakti, she was a topper and she could not also clear prelims many times. So that was seemingly the most important hurdle in her journey towards becoming an IAS. Now we must understand prelims is something that requires you to extensively complete all the subjects. It's not just intensive, but it's also extensive, which means that you have to not only touch too many topics, too many subjects, but also link it with current affairs and do a more holistic preparation. So one is that aspect. Now students feel a little overwhelmed when it comes to prelims because A, there are too many subjects. B, also because the facts that come to them either in the manner of a newspaper or a current affairs magazine, and they don't know how to link that with an MCQ. Solving that in the form of an MCQ is a different skill altogether. And reading a fact as such is a different skill. So simple questions also sometimes can act like bouncers. So for example, in this year's paper, we have seen a question on NATO. We have seen a question on time zones. And the question is simply asking you how many of the above countries have more than 4 time zones. And there is a Brazil in the options which has 4. So these skills where you have to identify what are the gaps, what could be the possible trap in the question. This is something that comes through guidance, A, and through practice. So in our Lakshya integrated program, we will be giving students access to a huge database of questions through the Sandhan test series, where they can pick up a topic of their choice and practice as many questions as they want on that. And of course, to top it up with Lakshya Prelims practice tests, that is our LPPT program. So every week students will be given a certain topic that you have to prepare this. Mentors will be there to help them to how that has to be approached. And then the questions, it will be a proper Lakshya test, MCQ based test that will be given, and they can attempt it and assess themselves purely on that topic. So it is a structured approach. It is also a slow and steady wins the race approach. And at the same time, it is an approach which helps you plug the loopholes in a very precise manner.
Ma'am, when it comes to mains, like mains is very diverse. The syllabus is so vast. It is so easy to get lost in mains. So how does this Lakshya integrated program help students tackle the mains stage of the examination?
Right. So like I said, Kapil, sometimes prelims is so overwhelming that a student tends to ignore mains. They feel that, okay, first prelims to ho jaye, then maybe I'll start thinking about mains. But that's not the case. If you have to clear the exam in one go, you have to be prepared for all the stages beforehand. And our Lakshya integrated program is not just a small course, it's a 16-month program which stretches across the stages of prelims, mains as well as interview. So we are giving you a complete package of all the stages. When it comes to mains, answer writing is the most important skill. Many a times we have seen copies of toppers whose content may not have been that enriched. The content is okay, which is something that normal person with a decent amount of knowledge can also write. But the way they have presented their answers, the way they have given their arguments, that is most important. And answer writing in UPSC is all the more important because if you look at it, the questions usually come in the form of an issue. This is an ongoing issue. What is the problem associated with it? What are the solutions that we can do? What the government has been doing? What more can be done? So this approach of, practicing questions on these lines is what makes answer writing very critical. So our Lakshya mains program aims to tell the students through multiple structured answer writing sessions, through Lakshya mains practice tests and other mentoring sessions, that how you can refine your answers and make them appear better with whatever content you know. So of course content keeps getting added up. There's no limit to that. You can always do that. But sometimes with the content also that we know, we don't know which word to write, how to articulate our thoughts. There is always a mental block when it comes to mains. And that is something the Lakshya, mains oriented program will help the students.
And ma'am, it also has a component of interview also.
Right.
So how does this Lakshya integrated program address that mentoring for interview?
So mentoring for interview is also a very critical aspect, because in interview what students usually lack, in spite of coming from good background with good education and with great experience, industry experience also, we have observed that students lack certain skills. So for instance, they may not have the kind of confidence, they may appear very nervous. So overcoming that, so confidence building measures in terms of telling them how they can better prepare their answers, maybe helping them listen to toppers, help them undertake sessions with bureaucrats. So that all that is a component of confidence building measures that are being taken under this program. And apart from that, there are elocution sessions, so where how you speak, what you speak, and which words to emphasize on, how much pause to give, and not to say the ums and ums in the interview. All those little finer points that we usually miss in common day-to-day conversations is something that the program will definitely help the students with.
So to summarize it, ma'am, like this Laksh integrated program, it starts with an orientation sessions. Then there is this phase of parallelly they are preparing for prelims and mains. Then dedicated prelims as the prelims comes.
Right.
Then dedicated mains as the mains come, and then interview, right?
And then interview.
And all of this is tied around mentoring, right? So what they can expect in terms of mentoring support from their mentor.
Right. So, Kapil, look, in this examination, the main challenge is the length of the examination cycle. It's so long that you cannot sustain motivation sometimes. You cannot have that false bravado. It's difficult. So one needs a helping hand. One needs a person whom you can go to, talk to, share your fears with, anxieties with, share your results with. Of course, you have family and friends, but they cannot understand the nuances of preparation. And for that, you need someone who has experience in this field, who has an expertise, who's been watching trends, who's been mentoring so many people. So they have a better, expert mentors have a better idea of exactly where you are lacking and what exercises you can do to overcome that. And this is something that the Vision IAS program offers, that we have experienced mentors who will be hand-holding the aspirants throughout their preparation for a 16-month long. It's like having a best friend for 16 months. And then you can just, even after that also, so you can just reach out to them and tell them that, look, I have done this. Is there anything else that I can do? Maybe there is one subject that I'm lacking in. All those things you can discuss like a friend, and that person will be able to guide you. And what more do you want?
And ma'am, all those tests that are part of this Laksh integrated program, can students discuss their performance related to those tests with their mentor?
Absolutely, absolutely. Not just those tests, anywhere also. Mentor becomes like a friend. So if you're attempting tests here in the, this program, or you're attempting outside, it's just like having someone to talk to. And that is the most important thing, because this amount of stress, the amount of resilience that this examination demands, it cannot come from solitude. You do need that one person whom you can walk up to and share your fears and, tell that I need help in so and so section. And of course, they'll be able to guide you better, and someone who is academically sound also. So this is not just a psychological help. This is someone who's academically also very sound and will be able to tell you maybe this book will be better for you, or maybe, try and read those notes, something or the other. So those kind of value additions is something that only a person in this field who's experienced vastly can help.
And ma'am, like when we talk about current affairs, how to approach that for prelims mains has also become a big, challenge. So does this Laksh integrated program address the current affair part of the preparation also?
Yes, absolutely. Current affairs is an indispensable part of this preparation in UPSC. We've seen the questions even in prelims. Almost 60 to 70% of the questions are inspired from news in current affairs. Now, current affairs is something that is widely available. If you look at there in the market, there is no dearth of material. There's plenty of material in the market. There is so much to do. One, in fact, feels lost. This is the problem of plenty, where you don't know where to start from and where to end. So in that sense, the Vision IAS material, current affairs, of course, Vision IAS is a pioneer in the current affairs material. Our team comprehensively studies various magazines, publications, newspapers, and then summarizes everything. So Vision is already a stalwart in this PT 365. So our current affairs is designed in a way which is friendly and which is not simply giving you one book after the another, because we have digital current affairs. Digital current affairs gives you the option to search exactly what you are looking for. You don't have to flip the pages. You don't have to remember that this news was in that month, so I have to refer to that month's magazine. It makes it a lot more easier on account of being digital. And of course, then we have the artificial intelligence. We have the AI chatbot, which can answer your current affairs related queries in a real-time manner. And that makes it all the more easier.
So ma'am, as we come to an end of this session, what would you like to suggest to students who are targeting the next year, and how should they utilize their time, specifically those who did not make to the prelims this year?
Well, I would just like to tell the students that don't lose hope. Okay, we have seen toppers. In fact, through and through this year, we have seen toppers who've made it in the 4th attempt or 5th attempt, and I personally know of someone who made it in the 6th attempt in spite of not clearing prelims 4 times. So that is the kind of resilience that one needs to show in this examination. And if you really have it in you, that fire, that yes, I think I am made for this, I will eventually do this, keep on to your nerves, hold your horses, and just keep doing what are the basics. And most importantly, have a very structured approach for preparation. If you're again lost in the material and if you're lost in motivation, it won't help. This exam, more than the content, more than knowledge, requires a structured approach under professional guidance and also in a very phased manner so that all the 3 stages can be tactfully handled.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for guiding our aspirants.
Thank you.
So aspirants, I hope now you have a good idea about the Vision IAS Lux integrated program, and if you want to know more about it, please do visit our website. Thank you.